Hi friends, welcome back to my channel at Kirit episode 8 of 100 non-veg recipes. Today's subject is chicken Methi Malai, that is chicken fenugreek with cream. Methi has many health benefits. It controls sugar and it improves the function of kidneys and liver. Let us start. Chicken Methi Malai. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you. Cooking with Kirit is an amazing experience. Take 750 grams of clean and washed chicken, 3 medium onions and 1 bunch, that is about 100 grams methi leaves, that is fresh fenugreek leaves. First, marinate the chicken with salt to taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 3 teaspoon dhania powder, that is coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon black peppercorn powder, 2 teaspoon kasuri methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon chicken masala powder and 1 cup curd. Mix well everything. Keep this marinated chicken aside for half an hour or more. Chop 3 green chilies. If you eat less spicy, cut down the quantity of green chilies. Finely chop 3 onions. Take some whole spices, 1 each cinnamon stick, 2 black cardamoms, 4 green cardamoms, 4 cloves, 8 black peppercorns, 1 star anise and 1 flower of mace. Heat 2 tablespoon oil and 3 tablespoon ghee, that is clarified butter, in a pot. When ghee is melted, add half teaspoon methi seeds, that is fenugreek seeds, and 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds, that is jeera. When splutter, add whole spices. After 2 minutes, when aroma is released, add chopped onions. Saute till onion is light golden brown. Onion is light golden brown. Now add 3 teaspoon ginger paste and 3 teaspoon garlic paste. Add chopped green chilies. If you eat less spicy, cut down the quantity of green chilies. Add a little water and mix well. After 2 minutes, when raw smell vanishes, add marinated chicken. Sear for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. If needed, add a splash of water. Chicken has changed its color to white. Now add fenugreek leaves. Mix well and saute for 5 minutes more on medium flame. Rub 2 teaspoon Kasuri Methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves, in your palm and add to chicken. Wash the bowl with 1.5 cup of water in which we marinated chicken and add to pot. When gravy boils, cover the lid of pot. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes on low-medium flame. In between, open the lid and check whether chicken sticks to bottom or not. If it sticks, add a splash of water. After 30 minutes of cooking on low-medium flame, open the lid. Take out a piece of chicken and check whether it is tender or not. If it is not tender, cook for some more time. Our chicken is tender. Spread 4 tablespoons of cream or malai on chicken. Cover the lid and simmer for 5 minutes more on low flame. Turn off the gas and rest the chicken for 5 minutes. Wow, looks so yummy!